Welcome again, viewers and subscribers. Now I'm going to address this classic argument that some officers, I am here defending my rights because I'm tired of this thing where you drive and then just walk with a ticket book and then just feel like say this ticket book mean power. But let me remind us all, and especially the police officers out there, that you walk with a ticket book and there is something called a claim form. You have to have a ticket book and I have a claim form. Everybody have access to a claim form. In fact, you have to prepare it yourself. I write your name and just like a ticket, I write down my claim and claim against you whatever amount of money, $1 million, $2 million for your unlawful action, and file that in the Supreme Court. Just like how you will file your ticket in the petty session court of the petty session court. I will file a claim form and file it against you for your unlawful actions. Unlike your traffic ticket, the police traffic ticket that will give 30 days to pay, and then after that prosecution may or may not come. The claim form gives you 14 days to respond, to say you get it, and if you don't say you get it, default judgment for the amount for your unlawful actions. So let us understand ourselves that the police has the power to issue a ticket for the offense, and so does a citizen. A regular ordinary citizen has the power to issue or serve a claim form. It's very basic and it's very simple. You don't even need an attorney to help you with one. I can teach you. You can comment and let me know how many of you really want to know how to do a claim form. Because this whole random acts of, especially the one who say failing to comply with an officer's command, we will battle it out in the courts. You don't need attorneys, people. Don't you dare think you need a lawyer to represent you in these traffic violations of your rights. I can teach everybody the general knowledge on how to get these things done. It's basic. The claim form is basic. It's not much. You just write what happened, state the facts in the claim form. What are you claiming? I claim against the claimant, constable, whatever. Or you claim against the attorney general, because that's going to be the prime defendant number one in who you sue. The amount of, you claim for an order, a declaration that the stop was unlawful and was done without reasonable probable cause. And you seek the amount of damages for false imprisonment, malicious prosecution, blah, 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 in the amount of $10 million. And if the officer who will most likely, as far as I'm concerned, need an attorney to help them to defend that one, then you have to find the money to pay the attorney to defend that claim. It's a civil claim. So like I said, this attitude that I'm getting from a lot of officers who are saying, I will just issue ticket. I'm gonna reach out, just pay ticket, send a ticket, come. And when I consider it to be without reasonable probable cause, when I consider that prosecution to be malicious, then when you detain me against my will and without lawful authority, then if it irritates me enough, then you will see the claim form coming at your door. Either the process server serving it, or I serve it myself with that claim form. Sir, you violate my rights. I want $250,000. That seems to be the standard now. Because in that case whereby the traffic tickets issued over a period were declared unlawful, the claimant got $250,000 awarded to him for breach of his constitutional right to due process. So that sounds like a standard starting point for a violation, a basic violation of your constitutional rights. It goes further from there based on how, aggravating factors, so on and so forth. So like I said, officers, let us chill, let us cool, let us just do the job right. Because just like how you have the claim form that you can pull for, a citizen can, sorry, just like how the officer has that ticket book that they can pull for, a citizen, a regular citizen, can simply file a claim form for false imprisonment, malicious prosecution, and it goes on and on and on. Yep. But just remember, everybody, when you're filing a claim for false imprisonment and malicious prosecution, it's important that in that declaration section, you state that if you were maliciously prosecuted or you were arrested without reasonable or probable cause. It is very important that you state that. So let us just relax ourselves and let us do the job right. Because those threats of empty ticket book at you, and like empty it, empty it, send it come, send them come. Because no one, no citizen, no person is required to comply with an unlawful order or unlawful request. Until next time.